Hi guys, Gordon here again. It was just a simple video to show you how easy Pure Leverage has made it using the Facebook Instant Income system so that you can make an extra income online while doing your day job or whatever else you have for your family. You know, you do have your email autoresponder, your lead capture page, your video email service, your authority blog, which is a private blog network which makes it easier for you to rank whatever domain name you have, and it just shoots it up because, let's face it, they have so many thousand people on the Pure Leverage network that it just ranks videos faster. And you get coaching, elite coaching by me, Terry Anglin, and inspirational videos that I make on a daily basis so that you can stay motivated, so that you can keep going on to your business and help others like I'm doing right now. I've been busy making other videos for some other people because that's what I do to help my people learn these tools so they can make a substantial living online, offline, for any brick and mortar business so that they can succeed in anything that they do. Give me a call at 702-277-8360. Find me on my blog at gordonwatt.com for some inspiration. Click on the link below. Click on the link on the top if you're watching it on my blog, because I do some fancy stuff. I just want to show you guys how to do these things. But my main basis and what I stand for is the Pure Leverage tools and what they have to offer. Share this. Email me at gordonwattmentoring@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you to show you my tips and tricks so that I can bring you value into your life and make things much easier for this part of your life that you might decide to go into. I'm here for you. Joe Demir is here for you, and if you don't like the tools, put in a support ticket and we'll just cancel your order. It's that simple. No questions, no everything else. Alright guys, find me, gordonwatt.com. Click on the link on the top or in the below, depending on where you're watching it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.